Hello friends, my today's topic is Isosceles Triangle Property. आज के वीडियो में मैं आपको स्टेटमेंट, प्रूफ, एक्टिविटी, मॉडल, एग्जांपल्स और सॉफ्टवेयर ये सारी चीजें बताऊंगी। आज के वीडियो में हम ये दो चीजें देखेंगे, स्टेटमेंट, प्रूफ एंड फ्यू एग्जांपल्स। कमिंग वीडियोस में हम देखेंगे एक्टिविटी, मॉडल एंड यूजिंग सॉफ्टवेयर हाउ कैन वी एक्सप्लेन दिस आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल प्रॉपर्टी। So the statement is there, in an isosceles triangle, angles opposite to equal sides are equal in measures. What does it mean? यदि कोई एक isosceles triangle है, तो isosceles triangle means जिसके दो sides equal होती हैं। यहाँ AB and AC equal दी हुई है, so AB is equal to AC. This is given. Okay? So angle opposite to AB कौन सा एंगल होगा? Angle C. So angle C is equal to angle opposite to AC. This is AC side. So which angle will be opposite to AC? Angle B. So this is equal to angle B. So in an isosceles triangle, if two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal. This is your isosceles triangle property. In isosceles triangle, this angle A is known as vertical angle and B and C are known as base angles. Okay, this we require for the proof. So this is all about the statement. Now we will go for the proof. So let me clear this once again. I will draw a figure. Okay, so this is my figure now to explain the proof. Again I am drawing here one isosceles triangle. Let the name be A, B and C. AB and AC, these two sides are equal. So here what is given? Given here AB is equal to AC. Then we write about to prove what we are supposed to prove here. Opposite angles means angle B is equal to angle C. And in earlier theorems also you have seen that we are doing some constructions. So here also we required one construction. So what construction we are going to do? From the A here we will draw one perpendicular, that is AD. So what construction we are going to do? We will draw AD is perpendicular to BC. This is our construction. Now here you can see that we are getting these two triangles, and here we will use the congruent of two triangles. That concept grade 7 students can understand after completing the congruence topic, but 8, 9, 10 students they can understand this thing. So now in triangle, two triangles are there. So in triangle ABD and triangle ADC, I am talking about this triangle and this triangle. We are having these two triangles. So one by one we will see that which one is same. So here we can say that AB is equal to AC. What is the reason? This is given. Okay. Now this angle is perpendicular. So this is also perpendicular. So we can say that angle ADB is equal to angle ADC. Why? Because this is 90 degree. And in isosceles triangle, from the vertical angle, if you are drawing perpendicular, so this bisect the side. So BD is equal to DC. BD is equal to DC. Here we can say that by construction. So now in this triangle we can say that if you have any confusion with this, you can take another one also. You can say that this one will be more easier. AD is equal to AD. This is common side. Okay, so we can say that two sides and one angle, and here we have right angle triangle. So we can say that by RHS, right angle triangle, right angle, hypotenuse hypotenuse and one side RHS. These two triangles are congruent. So let me clear this so that here I can write down. So therefore by RHS congruence condition, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle. Now in place of D, B will come, AB and AC. So in place of B, C will come and A will be in their own place. So these two triangles are congruent and therefore triangle or angle B is equal to angle C. We called it CPCT. So these two triangles are congruent, these two angles are congruent. So this only we are supposed to show that if two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal. This is known as isosceles triangle property. Once again, let me explain in short. We are having here two triangles. We are doing comparison in these two triangles. AB is equal to AC. This is already given in the question. This by construction by 90 degree we got this angle is equal to this angle, and one AD side is common in this triangle also and in this triangle also. So this is common. So we got here three things, two side and one angle. Since this is right angle, so we can say right angle, hypotenuse and side. So by RHS congruence condition, these two triangles are congruent. Since two triangles are congruent, therefore the remaining congruent parts will be also equal. So we can say that angle B is equal to angle C. This only we are supposed to prove. Now we will go for some examples. So the examples are now. Find lettered angle or find the value of XYZ. Any type of question may be there. So first one I am taking here these two are equal. This is Y and this is X, and this value is 40 degree. Okay. So here you can say that since two sides are equal, it means this is an isosceles triangle. You can give name over here. So which two sides are equal? AB is equal to AC is equal. Therefore their opposite angles are also equal. So opposite to this is X and opposite to this is this. So we can say that therefore X is equal to 40 degree. Reason you are supposed to write by isosceles triangle property. So now here we got the value of X is also 40. So can you find out value of Y? Since the question is related with the angles, we will use by angle sum property. So by angle sum property. Writing reason is very important. So what is angle sum property? Y plus 40 will give you 180 degree. So y 40 plus 40 will give you 80 degree is equal to 180 degree. This plus 80 you transfer to the right hand side. This will become minus 80 and value of y will be 100 degrees. Now we will go for second example. The second example is again one isosceles triangle is there. Suppose this time the name I am giving XYZ, you can give any name. These two sides are equal. So what is given here? XY is equal to XZ. Okay. So opposite to XY, which angle is there? Angle Z. And opposite to YZ. Opposite to XZ, which angle is there? Angle Y. So what is the reason? By isosceles triangle property. Okay. Now here which angle is given? This vertical angle is given 100 degree and you are supposed to find X and Y. Okay. So therefore this implies that value of Z here, angle Z is Y. So Y is equal to X. Okay. So these two angles are equal. Again, since the question is related with the angle, so we will use angle sum property. So we can write down by angle sum property. What is angle sum property? Sum of all the three angles, 100 degree. Since this is also equal to y, so this x also you can replace with y. Or this y you can replace with x, meaning is same. So 100 plus 2y is equal to 180 degree. So 2y is equal to 180 minus 100 will give you 80 degree. And since 2y is equal to 80 degree, 2y is equal to 80 degree. So y is equal to 80 upon 2, that is 40 degree. So value of x is also 40 degree and value of y is also 40 degrees. Now we will go for the third example. So you can see that in such type of questions we are using isosceles triangle property, at the same time we are using angle sum property also. Now in third sum we will use one more property that already I have explained you. Suppose P, Q, R and this is S. Okay. So these two are equal. So X is equal and Y, and this is given 120 degree. So here you can see that you are supposed to find out x and y, and one exterior angle is given. So you can use exterior angle property and you can find out x and y other thing. Or one more thing here we can use. Here we can use one linear pair concept also. So that with the linear pair concept you can find out y, and with the help of y you can go for x. Okay. So first thing, this is isosceles triangle property. Isosceles triangle property. So which two sides are given? PQ is equal to PR. This is given equal. Opposite to PQ, which angle is there? Angle Y. This is Y. And opposite to PR, what is there? X. So we can give that equation number 1. Okay. Now, since, or we can say Y plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? Reason you can write down here, linear pair. Writing reason is very important. So y is equal to 180 minus 120 will give you 60 degree. So value of y is 60 degree. Therefore, by equation number 1 we can say that y is equal to x is equal to 60 degree. So this is also 60 degree, this is also 60 degree. If any sub question is there, what can you tell about triangle PQR? What type of triangle it is? So since these two are 60 degrees, so definitely this one will be also 60 degree. So we can say that triangle PQR is an equilateral triangle. So such type of sub questions may be added in the exam. Now one last example I am going to take, that is the fourth sum. This is your fourth question. A, B, C and this point is D. Here these two angles are equal. So this is X and this is given 110, just like the earlier question. But earlier question, nearby angle was given, adjacent angle was given, but here adjacent angle is not given. Okay. So can we write down here Y so that easily we can find out Y? How can we find out y? We can use here linear pair concept. So y plus 110 is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? Write down reason here, linear pair. So y is equal to 180 minus 110 will give you 70 degree. So now we got this angle as a 70 degree. This measurement is given, this measurement is not given. Can we find out this measurement? Because these two sides are equal, so we can say that AB is equal to AC. Therefore, angle B is equal to X. What is the reason? Isosceles triangle property. If you want to write down the statement, you can write down the whole statement. Otherwise, simply you can write down isosceles triangle property. So now this is also X. So just look at this part now. The question is related with the triangle. You need to find out x. So here we can use angle sum property. So third step we will use by angle sum property. By angle sum property. What is angle sum property? Sum of all the three angles is 180 degree. X plus x will give you 2x. This 70 will become minus 70 on the right hand side. So you will get 110. So x is equal to 110 upon 2. So this will give you 55 degree. So what is the measure of this angle x? This is 50 degree. So now this isosceles triangle property, I have explained you about the statement, about the proof and few examples. But I want to take few more figures so that the concepts will be more clear. Suppose if this type of triangle, it is the angle, I am writing here angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and these two sides are equal, then which two angles will be equal? Opposite to this is angle 3 and opposite to this is angle 2. So we will say that angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Now suppose such type of figure is given. Figure may be given in any direction. So this is A, B and C. So now which two angles will be equal? Opposite to this side angle C is there and opposite to this side angle B is there. So in this particular figure angle B is equal to angle C. Let me take one more figure to explain. Suppose this slanting triangle is given. Again this is A, B and C. These two sides are given equal. So which two angles will be equal? Opposite to angle this side, this is angle C and opposite to this side is angle A. So angle C is equal to angle A. So today I have explained you about the isosceles triangle property. In coming video I will explain you the same property by activity and by using model and same way with using software. So don't forget to watch the next coming videos. Thank you for watching today's video.